Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 6 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period, give away $500 in Bitcoin. Boom. Free money. Let's go. Bitcoin daily chart. Yesterday we talked about this bearish retest, this rejection to the downside, potentially some bounce ideas based on this support level. You know, the bulls are trying to hold this support, trying to show up here. There's some exaggerated bullish divergence ideas here on the histogram as well as the RSI. If we zoom in, go to the 4-hour chart, we talked about this triangle idea, which technically is a bearish pennant the way it's drawn. However, at this point, this low is higher than the previous low, which if this is the actual swing low and you don't get continuation to the downside, this would be a potential bullish idea for Bitcoin. You could probably come in here and build a case about some type of small falling wedge, and when that breaks out to the upside, if it does and holds, I mean, you're looking for a potential move higher. But right now, this double white line right here, this overhead resistance it's tough for the bulls to break. If you look, this entire trend got reversed by this support level. So the way this works is you can judge the strength of support based on these reversal ideas. So imagine all the selling takes place, boom, there's so many buyers stacked right here that it completely reverses the trend. Here it did somewhat, but then rolled over. So support becomes overhead resistance, and here you can see the bulls have to break above here. So again, the bulls have their work cut out for them. I'm looking for a move over the next 24, 36 hours potentially. Now, Monday is a holiday in the United States, so potentially happens like Monday night, Tuesday morning. All eyes are on Bitcoin right now, looking for a move in the next few days. Bitcoin 1-hour chart. So again, you've got this low, high. This is a lower low. This is a lower high. This is not a bullish idea. This is a downtrend. However, we're just looking for some type of short-term relief rally, some type of altcoin bounce based on this idea where Bitcoin would pull back a little bit more and then bounce at this support level. Right now, I mean, you can see that see all these moving averages, especially the 200, the price action is above the 50, the 20, but below the 200. So idea of an uptrend really starts as far as bullish momentum goes when the price action is able to break and hold the 200. And again, this is a 1-hour chart, so not as significant as, say, the daily, but the smaller moves start on the smaller time frames and do sometimes carry over to the larger time frame. So it all starts here. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he joined the group and he quit working. He bought a house. He'd never traded before. He bought a house. He bought 18 acres and a house cash. He talks about day trading the last 7 days, and what he wanted to do was he wanted $1,000 a day in profits. He hit his goal on 6 of the days, and there was one day where he only had $750 profits. So he's averaging close to $1,000 in profits a day over this week. He had 23 winners and only 3 losers. He made a total of $10,000. Listen, he said, I wanted to thank you on teaching me how to be a successful trader. I've learned a ton in the 12 months that I've been in the group. Oversold bounces for the win. This person's up $22,000 on oversold bounces. This person, on one trade, $21,000 in profits, up 1,000%. Obviously, there's some leverage involved right here, but this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes, and we have to make the most of it. We don't want to look back and say, man, I should have done a little bit more. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Here's some recent trades. We had Ren, boom, 41% gains. T-Fuel is one of the stronger setups right now. 20% gains after a breakout and retest. 38% profits out of Bakkt. 26% profits out of Dago. This is an optimistic idea for Bitcoin price action. This is a consolidation phase comparison for Bitcoin cycles. So back in 2011, again, you have this major pullback, and then the price action consolidated. I mean, it moved higher, but it consolidated, essentially moved sideways after a big pullback. Okay, the angle or trajectory changed, lowered 2013, but still you got this massive pullback and then consolidation higher, and then boom, took off. And that's the most important thing. 2011 took off, boom. 2017, we saw the same thing like we're experiencing now. Huge pullback and then massive price rise. Here we are again, 2021. Huge pullback. 6th largest pullback in the history of Bitcoin. And now this consolidation, and then will we see a massive move to the upside? Like I talked to you guys about yesterday, there's never been a person in the history of Bitcoin who's bought Bitcoin and not made a tremendous amount of money over a 4-year period. So if you're ever doubtful about anything in this market, take a longer term, zoom out, take a longer term approach to this. Life-changing money is coming. You just have to be patient. Pullbacks are part of it. You got to take a 50% pullback if you want 5,000% profits, period. Polygon data sets are now available with Google Cloud. A lot of people excited about Polygon, formerly Matic, and Google Cloud's partnership. Thorchain came out, which is Rune, and they're about to blow your mind with fixed yield earnings on any asset and fixed interest lending on any asset. So this is only possible with Thorchain's design. Are you ready? Rune is the ticker. This is a chart that I want you guys to pay attention to, and it just talks about how the market tops in the past. You've got this, see down here, blue is euphoria and greed, right? And these huge run-ups in the past, you get these blue markers, right? And then sell-offs. At this point, huge sell-off. At this point, huge sell-off, huge sell-off. So you've got this greed and euphoria. And typically what you're looking for based on previous price action is you get these huge, massive blow-off tops, right? Definitely happened in 2017, 2018 when Bitcoin ran up to 20,000. Here we are again. We didn't have that blue greed euphoria, and we didn't have a blow-off top. So is this just a pause in the bull market? Could this be a market reset pause before higher prices? The most important thing I want you guys to realize, at some point, you're going to get a bounce out of Bitcoin, right? And you really want to take advantage of this opportunity. These altcoins have been getting smashed, and they will bounce back, and you'll get like these mini altcoin seasons because they take so much of a hit. But remember, if Bitcoin's trending lower and you hold USDT paired altcoins, you're going to take losses. Same with Bitcoin, right? And so the way this price action works is, I mean, in a downtrend, it's going to give you a little bit and it's going to take more back. It's going to give you a little bit. It's going to take more back. It's going to give you a little bit. It's going to take more back. Right? And so when this changes and Bitcoin starts trending higher, you'll see continued upside in your portfolio. But what you need to understand is you can definitely trade these swings and skip these downtrends. Potentially tether is the best option. And then you can take advantage of these explosive moves to the upside, profit, take profits, and then exit the market. This is a number of Bitcoin active addresses. So active addresses are falling right now. So this yellow line right here, these are Bitcoin active addresses, okay? And so when Bitcoin's price sells off, people lose interest in crypto. They lose interest in Bitcoin, period. There's just not as much activity on the Bitcoin blockchain, right? And so what you're looking for is a change where essentially the price is increasing, but the user's interest are decreasing still, right? So example here, your interest in Bitcoin was falling, but price was increasing, and that led to huge upside. Same thing here. The interest in Bitcoin or the active Bitcoin address is falling, and then huge move and continuation to the upside. Right, so we're looking for some type of divergence that would show ideas of a market reversal. Remember, this market takes off when people lose interest. That's just how it works. And then those same people that sold fear, FOMO back into the market. This is the crypto fear and greed index over time. And when your fear is down at the bottom, right? When the market is super fearful, after these bounces, you see tremendous moves to the upside out of Bitcoin. And what you have to do is counter trade this idea. You know, think about buying when it's down here. But what I must warn you about is the market is extremely fearful. But fear can stay pegged down here for a month or more. You know, so be patient with this. Get some good confirmation out of Bitcoin before you start loading up on Bitcoin or altcoins. I found this interesting. So there's a magazine which is recognized by Chinese financial officials. They disclose some reasons why Beijing wants to crack down on Bitcoin mining and crypto. Chinese listed companies do not do their own business. They buy mining machines and they build the mines. Inner Mongolia's energy consumption reduction is not up to Beijing's standards, so it's the most active to crack down on mining. Mining is of no use to the real economy and even seizes the production capacity of other chips. Beijing believes that crypto is completely a bubble, and even the risk is transferred to elderly people with less investment experience, and potentially they could take massive losses. Regulators want to completely cancel mining in Bitcoin, but it's not feasible. This is almost a meme at this point. Like if you go back and just search China bans Bitcoin mining or China bans Bitcoin, and every market cycle, China bans Bitcoin. China's banning Bitcoin. Double ban, 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 ban. It's like a meme. It's like, okay, look. And like people that have been in this market for an extended period of time know this. But the market reacts so badly. This FUD right here drops the market quickly. People freak out. So one thing that's tremendously optimistic about this geographic distribution of mining shows that China's dominance in mining is falling from 75% down to 55%, where North America, Russia, and Kazakhstan are increasing, are moving higher as far as the amount of Bitcoin that they're mining. And so, again, things are changing, and this will offset a lot of this Bitcoin China FUD going forward. Now, this is Bitcoin dominance, and I just kind of want to make sure you guys understand this idea. So this is like the on-off switch to trading altcoins. And with this is trending lower, you get positive price action. The altcoins move a lot better, okay? And so there's a point right now where you could see altcoins, if this price action gets rejected here at this 200 moving average, and then this Bitcoin dominance falls again, you could get a situation where altcoins take off, right? And so every day I'm going to make sure and keep you guys updated. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.